not returning result. And next is called what? Function name, function name, function. And next is called what? Not taking values, not taking values, not taking value, not returning result. Not taking value, function name, not returning result, not returning result, function, function, and not taking values, not returning result. But where do you take values? Where do you take values? That's my question, all of you. Where do you take values? Inside the body. Inside the body you will take. Where do you process? Where do you process? Where do you process? In the body only. Where do you print the result? Where do you print the result? Inside only. Everything I will do inside. Approach number one. Relax and then answer my question. Don't get confused by yourself. Don't get confused by yourself. Taking values from where? Taking values from where? Taking values, I said. Outside. Excellent. Outside means what? Function call. Where are you processing it? Inside. And where are you returning the result? Where are you returning the result? Outside. Excellent. When returning the result means to the outside you are returning. Taking values means what? From outside you are taking. Outside means what? Function call. Happy. Not taking values means not taking values from function call. But where are you taking? Inside the definition you are taking. Inside the body you are taking. Processing will be done always inside only. And returning the result will be not returning means what? Inside only you are printing. Right. Now A3. A3. A3 is nothing but what? Just crossing it. Crossing ma? Just crossing you see. I'm just crossing this part. This is a crossing. You take it as a crossing. That's it. What is that? Not taking values, returning the result. Taking values and then what? Not returning the result. Are you okay? Approach 1 and approach 2. Approach 1 and 2, I am crossing it. That's it. So happy. So it is called what? I will copy this point. I will copy this point and I am saying that not taking values. See, here returning result is same. Function name is same. But here not taking values. Here taking values. It is a different model. Yes, not taking values from where? Function call. But where are you taking the input? Where are you taking the input? Inside. Inside. Where are you processing? Inside. Next, where are you returning the result? Where are you returning the result? Outside. Happy. Happy that is. Super. Super power. Next, approach number 4. Approach number 4. A4. Approach number 4. What is that approach number 4? Same thing only. Same thing only. Now what I am taking? Taking values. Taking values. Same thing. Taking values and not returning values. Is this logics are understandable? Is this intelligent approaches are understandable? Who understands? Say yes, 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 yes. I want to know. I want to know because this is the greatest programming and nobody knows about this kind of things. Nobody knows about this kind of things. 101%. You take any Python student, they don't know. If they don't know these approaches, they can't do anything else in the Python programming. These are damn sure. Right. Shall we move forward? Shall we move forward to this approach number 4 now? Yes. Now coming to these approaches here, which we said, this last part we are in function body, taking input from function body and then doing the things. Right. Yes. Right. Right, mom. Perfect. Now I'm going to enter into the programming part now. Approach number 4 I'm going to take. Approach number 4. Excellent. Now approach number 4. Taking values from where? Function call. Taking values. See here. Everything is taking. Last and final. Taking values and getting the values. This one. This is taking values and getting the result outside only. Only processing inside. Approach number two. Approach number two. Please look at that. Not taking values from outside, not returning the result outside. Where I am taking, then inside only I am taking, inside only processing, inside only printing, everything. All are inside. Approach number three. Taking values from outside. Taking values from outside, function call. But I'm processing always inside only. But I'm printing the result inside. I'm not returning outside. Doing inside, doing inside. That is called our link. Approach number three, if you see, not taking values, that is returning the result. Or if you take here, that according to our point which I taken, taking values according to that and not returning result. Not returning result. According to our example. Here what? Not taking values and returning result. Anything is okay. No problem. Approach 3 and 4 titles I changed it. Now coming to the this approach 3 is done. Taking values from outside, processing inside, printing here only. Now opposite I will go for it. Opposite. That is called this one. Approach number 4. Dear students, approach number 4 dot py. Approach 4 dot py. Approach 4 dot py. What is that? See, what is the approach number 4 title you see? Not taking values. Not taking values from where? Function call it is not taking. Right? Not taking from function. Not taking. From outside not taking. Then you see, main program also I will write it. Main program also I will write it. Main program I am writing. What is my main program? MUL of, not taking values from outside. So definitely def MUL of, not taking anything. But where are you taking? Inside. Dynamically I will write directly. Float of, input of, enter, enter to enter first value. Enter first value. Enter first value. B is equal to what? Float of, input of, enter, enter second value. Enter what value? Second value. I got it. Second value. Yeah. B. Now do what? Right. Right. Come on, mom. C is equal to A star B. A star B. What should I do? Shall I print here or shall I return the value? All of you. Shall I print or shall I return the value? This is called processing. This is called processing. Excellent. I should print or should I return? See approach number 4. Not taking values. We took it the values. We processed also. Now I want to see return the result. Shall I print or return? Shall I print or return? Venkatesh, you are only one student saying wrong. Everybody saying correct. Return C. Return C. Return C. Right. Return C. Print outside. Excellent. Can I return more than one value? More than one value in our Python? Can I return more than one value in Python? Yes, dear students. Excellent, sir. We can return more than one value. More than one value. Now I am writing in Python. In Python, we can return more than one value. More than one value using return statement. Return statement. Let me show you one wonderful point for you. Return A, B, C. We can sort. Now, how many variables I will take to hold my values? First value coming, one variable required. Second value coming, one variable required. Third value is coming, one variable is required. How many variables I will take it? Yes, students, 3 variables. Can I take A comma B comma C? Any problem? Any problem if I take A, B, C? Can I have any problem? No problem, sir. We can have local variables and then these variables can have same name. No problem at all. No problem at all. You can print. What is that? You are saying multiplication of CMA, multiplication of and is equal to and dot format of A comma B comma C. Yes, are you perfect? Multiplication of A value, B value, C value. Are you perfect, students? Yes, ma'am. Perfect. Multiplication of this first value, second value, third value. Perfect. Excellent. Save this code. Save this code. Taking values from outside. All the approaches has done. All the approaches has done. Yes, 5. Now I am saying approach 4. See that? The moment. Yes, ma, Sonali, very good. Omkar, very good. Now, the moment when you call, it is coming and asking the values. Done, printed, and then values are returning also, returning also, returning also. As 2 and then 3, I got the result. Multiplication of 2 and 2.0 and 3.0 is equal to 6.0. 6.0. Yes. Now next I am writing here. So 12 and then 34.5. Excellent. Excellent. 12.0 and then what? 34.5 is equal to like this. Programming means it should be like anything. Without programming, there is no life in the software industry. Once we learn multiple models, then only we have the life. Otherwise, life will go. People can't teach the programming anywhere. Here we teach the programming. Our class is expertism for the programming. Enjoy the coding. With the coding only you can get the jobs. Without the coding, we never get the jobs. That one thing you have to make it clarify. Right. Yes, ma. Atulya, thank you. Now one more point let me show you. Let me make you wonderful student here. Now look at ma. Or one more I am going to show you. See the most wonderful point you will really appreciate. Now see, this is one thing. One more thing. One more time I am calling now. Now what is that? MUL of. See one wonderful point. Most wonderful point. MUL is equal to, I am writing. Only one variable I am writing. KVR. Only one variable I wrote. Only one variable I wrote. KVR. KVR is called one variable. Here how many variables I wrote? How many variables I wrote, ma? How many variables I wrote here? 3 variables. That means 3 values are coming into 3 places. 3 values are coming into 3 places. Which type of assignment we are using? Which type of assignment we are using? Which type of assignment we are using? Multi-line assignment we are using. Am I correct or not? Am I correct? Multi-line assignment. Yes, students? Am I correct? Yes, sir. Multi-line assignment I am using. Now here you see all the 3 variables, speciality today. All the 3 variables are stored in one variable only. Yes, sir, it is also possible, sir. KVR is one variable. KVR is one variable. You can take your own variable. Ashish I can take. Atulya I can take. Omkar I can take. Any variable name I can take. Take your own variable name. It is called a single line assignment only. Here it is single line assignment. Here it is multi-line assignment because multiple variables left side. Multiple values returning. Here only one variable can hold. Here, Seema, here KVR is a variable. Here KVR is a variable. Every variable in Python is called object. Do you know that? Do you know that? Every variable is called object. Do you know that? Yes, sir. KVR is an object of type class tuple. Class tuple. See, ma, a beautiful concept. They will ask you. They will ask you, if I return more than one value, can I hold it in single variable? Can I hold it in single variable? Yes, sir. What is that single variable type? What is that single variable type? Tuple, sir. Tuple, sir. Please print, sir. Please print once, ma. Please print KVR. See the result? Print KVR. If I print KVR, all the 3 values are coming and storing in this. All the 3 values are coming and storing into one variable only. All the 3 variables are coming and storing in one variable only. Let's see. Let's see. Yes, ma. Sanchit. Excellent. It is an immutable object. Sanchit. Excellent. Yes, ma. Class also I will show you. First execute. Something like 2 and 3. See that what is coming? This is the first result, multi-line assignment. Now it is calling second time, na? Second time you are calling, na? Second time means it is asking again. Again it will go to that. Again second time is asking. Now you see, beautiful statement. 5 and 4. See, 5.0, 4.0, 20.0. See the symbol of it? Symbol. What is the symbol? tuple symbol. It is an immutable. Excellent. I will print. I'll print. Print type of KVR. Type of KVR object is equal to comma type of KVR. Excellent. What a beautiful program. Type of KVR. How do you print the type of any variable? KVR. No problem. Execute for first time 2 and 3. That is for multi-line assignment. Or say 5 and then -5. You see -5 and etc. What is the type? Tuple. Tuple. Tuple is not a function. Srusti. Type is a function. Yes, that will print what? Class type of that variable. Is it understandable, guys, all of you? Is it understandable, guys, all of you? Right? Can I, if a written statement is returning more than one value, can I hold it in that? Can I hold it in that? Yes, sir. We can hold it, sir. Here, I wrote, here KVR is an object which is of type tuple, and it can hold, all the values, returned by the function, returned by the function, returned by the function, returned by the function, right? So returned by the return statement, returned by the return statement from function definition. That is a perfect sentence, because it's a purely programming mark, purely programming. Return this one and printing that. So I printed what here? Print KVR, and the result is printed here. Dear students, are you okay? Print KVR. Last and final, I will explain. Last and final, approach number 4, 12 and then that one. That is the first one. Second one is called what? 12 and 3.4. I got the result. 12 and 3.4. I got the result. Okay, na? Are you okay? Yes. Fine. Still, if you are very if you want more popular, more pakka answer you want, come on, tell me. Come on. What is the index of this 12.0? It is a tuple object, na? It is a tuple object, na? What is the index of this 12.0? What is the index of tuple? Index 0. What is the tuple of index of second value? 1. What is the index of third value? 2. You can print happily. What is that now? First value is equal to dot format of KVR of 0. How beautiful statement it is. What a beautiful statement it is. Second value, it's called what? KVR of 1. Print of multiplication is equal to dot format of KVR of what? 2. What a beautiful program. What a beautiful program it is. Excellent. See, done. First value 2 and 3, that is for first multi-line assignment, and 3 and 4, see that. First value 3.0, second value 4.0, multiplication is 12.0. What a beautiful example. Or you can also write this point like that. Print of multiplication of and is equal to and dot format of. Come on. Now I am waiting for your answer. Yes, I am waiting for your answer, please. No. KVR of 0. Yes, dear students. KVR of 0. KVR of 1, comma, KVR of 2. Are you understanding or not? Are you understanding or not? If you don't answer, you are out of order. You are out of order. KVR of 0, first tuple index, first index value. KVR of 1, second index. Resultant one is called what? Like this. So how is this example? How is this example? Let's start 2 and 3. So 4 and 6. See that multiplication of 4 0 is equal to 24 is the same result here also. What a result it is. Yes, perfect. Dear students, how many approaches are there to define my functions? How many approaches are there to define my functions? Four. Four. Can I write one small table here? Can I write one small table here? A small table I just want to prepare, just whether you are perfect or not, just to find out, just to find out only, not for anything else, just to find out only whether you are perfect or not. I just want to find out. That's it. Other than that, nothing. One simple attempt I am making to make you wonderful in this area. In this area, what is it? Look at that. Look at carefully. Watch it. Fine. Without covering this deep programming, we will not go for anything else. Srusti, you can write that also, ma. We can print that also. But because of that, value 1, value 2, value 3 will not come. Only values will be printed. Okay, na? Okay, ma Srusti? Right. So let us coming to the here. I am writing. See, ma, all of you. Carefully follow. Carefully follow. And I am giving the chance for you. It is like a game for you. It is like a game. In the game, who will win, who will be out, I want to check it out. Be ready for answering my questions. Who will be out and who will be out and who will be winning the game, I want to see in my class. So if you don't play game properly, you will be out of order. It is up to you. How do you play the game? You decide by yourself. Now, here I will write, like this. What is that? Now I am taking approaches. Here I am writing approaches, approaches, approaches. Here I am writing. What is this now? What is this now? Phases, phases are operations in functions. Operations, operations. Just I will bring down operations. Just I will bring down operations in functions. Operations in functions. Operations in functions. Okay. Now approaches, please. Here I'm taking values just to see. Don't take any risk, ma. Taking values and returning values. Returning values. Don't take anything and you observe it. Returning values. Returning values. Okay. Who will take that? Function will take. Just for a minute you understand. Just for a minute you understand. Here I will take. Here I will take this part. Okay, right. Okay, why should I copy? Normally I will write it. Not taking values. Not taking values. Then next is called what? Not returning values. Not returning, not returning values. Okay, very nice. Nice of it. Okay. Next is called what? Taking values. Taking values, not returning values. Possibility. Possibility I am applying. Not returning values. Not returning values. Okay. So it is just going out ma because I don't have the space properly. That's why. Just for a minute. I will cut it. I will cut it and I'll write next line here. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now here what? Not taking values. Here I will write not taking, not taking, not taking values. Here I'll just paste it. And next is called what? What is this now? Returning values. Returning, returning vals. Vals I wrote. Values. Okay, no problem. Even it cross also. Values. Returning values. I wrote that part also here. Okay. Who is taking and not taking and all these things, some method. Function I will write it. Function. Function. Again I will write function. Again I will write function. Who will win the game? Who will lose the game? I want to see. Whatever I am asking, you need to say. Right? So careful who will win because I'm checking your efficiency now. What is my factors here? Taking what? Input. It is one thing. Next is called process. Next is called result. Result or output. Result or output. Let's wait for a minute. Let's wait for a minute. All of you. I will observe your chart window also. right? This is called this part. Here I'm going to check your efficiency, whether you got my answers or not. So let us open your chart window. I will ask you where my marker is pointing. So unique answers should come. If you say any wrong answer, I'm not responsible for it. Then what should I write here? You say you use the word inside, outside, inside, outside. Inside means function body. Outside means function call. Tell me, what should I write here? What should I write? All of you should say the answer here. Yes, I must see the answers here. Come on. Excellent. Sanchit, you are going out. You are out. So input means always see what taking values. It is what? Outside. 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 Anybody says wrong, you are out of order. Outside. Right. Next input. Continue the next in the row I'm calling. Yes. Next. Everybody, same answer. Same answer. Very nice. Super answer. Inside. Super. Keep it up. Keep it up. Next answer. Next answer. Where my pointer is pointing. Super. Very nice. Extraordinary. Excellent. Next, one more out. Next, not taking values. Excellent. Super students. Take any student and put this table in front of them. They don't know anything about that. Next, please, process. I'm coming to the angle of process. Relax. Just relax and then start. Process. Where is the process? Excellent. Inside. Again, next call, next row, next part. Yes, inside. Excellent. Inside. Next. Again, what? Inside. Super. Also. Next, also. Yeah. Yes, ma. All are there in the game. Now I'm unable to decide who is the winner. All are winning the game. That's the spirit of it. Okay, Atulya, very good, ma. Process is always inside. Yes. Next, please. Next, please. Result. Output now. First point. Ah, excellent. Outside. Outside. Why outside? Because we are saying return the value, return the value, return the value. You got the key. You got the nerves of the subject. So happy to see your results. Ah, where is it? Where is it? Inside. Super. Next, please. Next, please. Excellent. Inside. Last, please. Last. Last. Okay. Very good. Outside. Excellent. Outside. Yes. So 90% of the all 90% of the students are winner, ma. So 90% of the students are winner. This is what I want to see in my class. So 10% of the people, they got this side and that side. Because I'm not saying 100% they are saying correct answer. Right. Yeah. Sanchit, you lost beginning only. Because of maybe hurry, maybe that's what 90% of the people are winners and 10% of the people loses their match. Ah, yes. Clarity between best and its a teach. Yes. Yes. Good. Very nice. Yeah. Is the concept of functions is easy or difficult? Is the concept of functions is easy or difficult? Easy or difficult? Easy. So how many ways are there to solve a problem using functions? How many ways are to solve a problem using functions? Multiplication of two numbers using functions. How many ways are there to solve it? Three ways. How many ways are there to write a function, to write a code using functions? Four approaches are there. Yes, Bang, thank you. So approach number one, I can solve it. Approach number two, I can solve it. Approach number three, I can solve it. Approach number four, I can solve it. Approach number three, I can solve it. Approach number four, I can solve it. Approach number anything, I can solve it. Yeah, three operations will be taking place. Any function you define with these approaches, operations will be important. From where are you taking input? From where are you processing? Where is an output is processing? That is a very, very important in the class. Generally, this is not understandable to anybody. This in Python, functions are hard for everything. Without these functions, they can't do anything else. Now I will enter into the second gear of my subject. Let me give you one more example. One more example I want to give it. Write down. Open the notes. Open the notes. Write a Python program. Now, one more example I want to show you. Later I will give you some assignments for you. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will calculate, which will calculate, which will calculate, which will calculate all the arithmetic operations using functions, which will calculate all the arithmetic operations using functions, using functions, using functions, which will calculate all the arithmetic operations using functions, using functions. Yes. Dear students, look at that. Now, here I am trying to write. Here, how many functions you have written? Only one function we have written. Only one function we have written. See, only one function we have written. I want to write more number of functions in my program. More number of functions I want to write in my program. Shall we go to this case, ma? Shall we go to this case? Now I am going for others. Let's watch. Let's watch. Now I am writing multiple functions. I am writing. I decided to write multiple functions with various approaches. With various, yes, ma, you can do homework. I know, but let me do it. Let me do it because others also need to follow. Others also need to follow. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Ah, Chadwick. Okay, ma. Just let me go for do it in the class. I will give a lot of assignments for you. You can do. So, very good signal from all of you. Let's start with the AOP dot AOP dot pi. AOP dot pi. How many arithmetic operators are there for us? Seven are there. Seven arithmetic operators are there. For seven arithmetic operators, I will define seven functions. Seven functions I will define. Seven functions I will define. Please look at that. Please look at all of you. I will take like this. Def, add OP, addition operation. I am taking A comma B, A comma B. Now what I will do? What I will do here? I will say, look at, all of you look at indentation. C is equal to A plus B, I can write, and I can say return of C, I can write it. Am I right? Return of C, I can write it. See all of you. Is it okay? Is it okay for all of you? Uh, Daily, when we are coming into the class, when we are coming into the class, we need to improve our coding standards also. In place of C, can I write A plus B? Can I write A plus B? Can I write A plus B? Yes, we can write A plus B. I am writing that you remove it. That you remove it. So I can complete in one line only. Return of A plus B. Return of A plus B. If you want, you can write inside the bracket like that, or you need not write inside the bracket. No issue at all. All of you. Return of A plus B. Okay. Next, one more function I will define. Sub OP, sub operation, x comma y, x comma y. I can write happily what? Return x minus y. You can write within the bracket, no problem at all. But can I write A minus B here? Can I write A minus B here? Can I write A minus B here? No, no, all of you, we cannot write. We cannot write. We cannot write. Why? Because A and B are called what? Formal parameters in add OP. Such formal parameters you can access into other place. You cannot. That's why you have to write compulsory X and Y. Now one more doubt you will have. Sir, can I use A and B? Can I use A and B here also? Here I can write A minus B that time. Can I use A minus B? A minus A and B can I use? Yes, we can use. I can use A and B. Is this A and B? Is this A and B same? No. Are they same? No, sir. They are completely different. That means in your house, your name is AB, your brother name is AB. In adjacent house also, same brothers are there, same sisters are there, whose names also same. Other home, is a other home, guys. Other home also we can have the same thing. Yes, fine. So when function is changing, parameters also can, you can take, if you want the same thing, you can take different thing, no problem at all. Surname is different. Esma Bhupati. Excellent. Now, one more I will define. See, def, one more definition I will define. See how I am defining multiple functions I am defining. MULOP, MULOP, X comma Y, X comma Y, return what? X star Y, X star Y. One more function I will define. Define. What is that now? DIVOP, DIVOP. That too what? DIV OP of which div op double slash or single slash. It is up to you what you want to use it. It is up to you what you want to use. Now I am taking x comma y, x comma y. What I am doing? What I am doing, dear student? Be careful. Return. See the beautiful result. Return x slash double x slash y comma x double slash y also I am returning. Can I return more than one value? Can I return more than one value? Yes, excellent. What a beautiful code. What a beautiful code. X slash y, x double slash y. Excellent. Done. Next, one more thing. One more thing. Def, def. What is the next one? Modulo. Modulo operation. Modulus operator. What is that now? P comma Q. P comma Q. I can say what? Return of. Return of. What is this now? P percentage Q. Modulo operator. Excellent. Def of. Def of. Expo. 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 Exponentiation operator. What is that? X comma Y or P comma Q. No problem at all. No problem at all. What I'm doing? What I'm doing? Return of. Return of. What I'm taking? Return of. What I'm taking? P comma. What I'm saying? P star star Q. P star star Q. Who is that? Venkat Karthik Seema. Is it like that? What is that we need to use? Double slot, double slot, double start operator. Right? Fine. So coming to the point, you can use, I told you Venkateshwar, I already told you again and again, if I repeat, you'll get a problem. These names can be different. These names can be different or same you can take. Again, if you go for that, it's a problem for you. Again, already it is over. These are all called what? Functions definition. These are called functions definition. Now I need to write the main program, main program, main program. So if I execute my program, will you get the result? I did not call them. Will you get the result? Will you get the result? No. So definitely we need to do what? Call. You call it. You call it. Then you go for it. Come on. M is equal to float of input of enter. Enter. See what I'm doing. Enter first value. Enter first value. See how beautiful example this is. N is equal to float of input of enter second value. Enter second value. Enter second value. I am taking that. Enter second value. I am taking that. M and N. M and N I got it. Enter first value. Enter second value. M and N. M and N. M is equal to float of input of first value. Float of enter second value. M and N. Now, next we go for what? Next we go for what? Any one of the approach you can take. No issue at all. No issue at all. This is third approach or which approach, ma? Narsimha Rao. Which approach it is? Huh? Which approach this is? You have to tell me. Which approach I am using? Which approach? Taking values and returning values. Which approach, ma? First approach this is. Chadvik, very good. First approach. You by looking at it, you have to tell immediately, SAR is taking values and he is using return statement, taking values, returning values, taking values, returning values, and wonderful. If you ask me, sir, which approach means, I have to give imposition for you. I have to give imposition compulsory for you. Otherwise, how? So you need to go for recognizing this. Now let's call. Now I will say print off star 50, star 50. You know what it will do? It will repeat the result 50 times. Now see what is happening. I am saying print off, backslash t, arithmetic operations, arithmetic operations, using operations results, using functions, using what? Functions. Switch off your videos, switch off your videos, print off, print off, start. What is that? What is it? I want to print it. I want to print it like this. Yes, anybody can say this one and then plus operation. Now I want to say is equal to like this. I want to say format of. Now I want to see your geniusity now. I want to see how genius you are. Now I want to see how genius you are. If you say you are wonderful candidate now. For first one, I want to print the value m. M I want to print. Second one, I want to print the value n. M, I'm printing. Comma, I want to see. Next one, what is the result? I want to see your genius. No. Using functions, I said. Using functions, I said. You are out. Out. ADDOP of m comma n. I don't know whether you are getting me or not. Are you getting me? Are you getting me or not? Everybody, there is no hurry at all. Think carefully. This is the wonderful programming. Wonderful. Yes, everybody should understand me. Perfect. Perfect. Next, similarly, I will go for what? I will go for what? Minus. Minus, I will write it. Minus. What is that? Mn. What is this now? Sub OP. Sub OP. Sub OP. Mn. Next, I will write next. Next, I will write what is this now? Star. Star operator. What is this now? MULOP. MULOP of Mn. Next, I will write what? Next, I will write what? Next, I will write what? So here you see, this is returning how many values here? Two values are returning. Two values. Which one? Which one place? DIVOP. How many values are returning? Two values. We will see what will come. You will be wondering by seeing the result. DIVOP. I want to see what is the result we are going to get there. DIVOP. Next, I will write what? This is called a slash. This is called a slash. Actually, slash and double slash will come. We will see what is that. Next, I am writing what? Percentage. Percentage. Then what is this is called? Modulus operator. Modulus OP. Next, I am writing what? This is known as what? Star, 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 star. It is called what? Expo OP, Expo, EXP, EXP OP, EXP OP, EXP OP. That is EXP OP. Yes. Are you clear? Is it clear for all of you? My intention is to define multiple functions in the program. My intention is to define multiple functions in the program. I hope it is clear for all of you. Right, guys? Let's execute. Let's execute the result. Now I will say AOP dot py. Say what is happening. Print of sub OP. Yes, somewhere else. Okay. Closing the bracket. Closing the bracket. Closing the bracket. In all the places, bracket is missing. Bracket is missing. Proper brackets you need to take, ma. All of you should take proper brackets. Now enter the first value 12. Enter the second value 3. See the result of it. Beautiful. 12 plus 3. 12 plus 3. And then 12.0 minus 3.0. 12 star 3. And 12 slash this one. 4.0 and then 4.0. Because we are having same type of operation. Different values I will enter. You will see different. This is the one. This is the one. Exponentiation operator. 12.3. 3, 4 ja. One more you enter. Perfect value I will enter. 10 and 3 I will enter. See 10 and 3. Now you see. 12, this one you see, slash. What is happening here? 3.3333. It is called a single slash. Single slash. What is this is called? Double slash. Tuple object is coming. Beautiful result, abba. What a beautiful result. And 10% is 3. 1 is a remainder. 10 to the power of 3 is 1,000. Dear students, are you okay? Are you? Can I separate this? Can I separate this slash and double slash? Can I separate this slash and double slash? Can I separate? Yes. Can you help me in separating this? Can you separate in doing this? This is a slash. Now here I am writing. See how beautiful about today's logic is very, very beautiful. So see, tell me, what is this? DIVOP of MN is returning the result. That result is what object? That result is what object? Which object? Which object? Tuple object. Tuple object, how many values are returning? All of you, how many values are returning? 2 values. What is the first value index? What is the first value index? First value index is what? 0. 0. So I will write here. I will write here. If you understand my point carefully, I am writing 0 here. I am writing 0 there. 0. Just I will test it whether it is working or not. First I will test it whether it is working or not. Otherwise, waste of time of writing. So 3. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I got it. What is returning? Tuple object is returning. Tuple object is returning. What I wrote? 0. 0 is not nothing but what? Single slash. Here I will write. Here I will write. What I will write here? What I will write? 1 I wrote. 1 I wrote. Are you understanding this beautiful point? Are you understanding this beautiful point, guys? Excellent. Superb. Super. Super means super. 10 and then 3. See the result. So slash and single slash. Beautiful example. How is this example? How is this example? Yeah, fantastic, sir. Excellent. Super, sir. This type of examples we need to expect. This type of example we need to expect it. Without this example, if I move forward, there is no meaning of it. There is no meaning for that. Yes. So this is the example we need to like this. See, I got the 0th index and then first, because we are returning the value called what? Tuple object is coming. This is a super example. Multiple functions are written. This is the functions number of approaches. Is my today's concept. What is our today's class concept, ma? What is our today's concept? Approaches to define. Approaches to define. Yes, ma, Bhupati. Thank you, ma. Thank you. That's why we must inform to all our friends. Let them learn beautiful programming in Python from our classes. Right? So Python means our class is most fantastic things. So what we learned today, approaches to define functions. Approaches to define functions. How many approaches are there to define functions? All of you. How many approaches are there to define functions? 4 approaches are there. Is 4 approaches are clear for all of you? Is 4 approaches are clear for all of you? Yes. Perfect. Right. So it is perfect. Good. Excellent. Yes, ma. Okay. Now, okay, ma. Mind-blowing concept. Okay, ma. Sonali. Very good. Next, tomorrow, that is a Monday class. When I come back, I will introduce the difference between arguments and then parameters. I will upload these notes. I will upload this note. Monday class, what is our discussion? Arguments and parameters. How many types of arguments are there? How many types of functions are there? We are entering into the Monday class. Okay, Monday, we should not miss it. Okay, ma. Chetan, Monday I will give you. Monday I will give you. Don't worry. Monday class, I will give assignments for you. Monday, we are going to get some more things now. Like that. Okay, right. Thank you. First, you try to practice all my examples. Now only I will upload in the notes. At 1 o'clock, I will upload in the notes, ma. At 1 o'clock, I will upload in the notes. Venkatesh, thank you, ma. Thank you. Thank you. Please inform to all your friends regarding our Python classes. Intimate all your friends regarding to the places. Okay, right. Thank you. Great, great day, great Sunday, and Monday class we will meet. Thank you. Good day.